Hey everyone! Today we're going to take a closer look at NVIDIA's Project Digits, an exciting personal AI supercomputer that brings powerful computational capabilities right to your desk. If you're curious about this innovative device, stick around. As we explore its features, setup, design, performance, and provide our final thoughts. Unveiled at CES 2025, Project Digits is NVIDIA's latest venture into making AI supercomputing accessible to individuals. This compact device is powered by the new GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip, delivering up to 1 petaflop of AI performance. It's tailored for developers, researchers, and enthusiasts aiming to prototype, fine-tune, and run large AI models locally without relying on cloud infrastructure. Let's talk about the settings and usage with Project Digits. Unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Project Digits unit, a power adapter, necessary cables, and a quick start guide. Installation. Place the device on your desk and connect it to a standard electrical outlet. No specialized power sources are required, making it convenient for home or office setups. Connectivity. Project Digits can operate as a standalone system or connect to your existing PC, Windows or Mac, via high-speed interfaces, allowing seamless integration into your current workflow. Software environment. The device comes pre-installed with NVIDIA's AI software stack, including popular frameworks like PyTorch and enabling you to start developing and running AI models immediately. Now, let's get into what makes Project Digits stand out. Compact form factor. Despite its immense power, Project Digits boasts a size comparable to a small book, fitting comfortably on any desk without occupying much space. GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip. This innovative chip combines NVIDIA's Blackwell GPU with a 20-core Grace CPU, utilizing ARM-based architecture developed in collaboration with MediaTek, ensuring high performance and energy efficiency. Memory and storage. Equipped with 128 GB of unified memory and up to 4 TB of NVMe storage, it handles large data sets and complex models with ease. Scalability. For more demanding applications, 2 Project Digits units can be linked to support AI models with up to 405 billion parameters, providing flexibility for various project needs. Let's discuss how Project Digits performs in real-world scenarios. AI model handling, capable of running AI models with up to 200 billion parameters on a single unit. It allows for complex computations and deep learning tasks to be executed locally, reducing dependency on external data centers. User accessibility. By providing supercomputing capabilities in a user-friendly package, it democratizes access to AI development tools, enabling a broader range of users to engage in advanced AI research and application development. Let's break down the advantages and potential drawbacks. While each product has its cons, let's begin positively with some pros. High performance delivers up to 1 petaflop of AI performance, suitable for handling large-scale AI models and computations. Compact and portable. Its small size allows for easy placement in various environments, from personal desks to research labs. Pre-installed software stack. Comes ready with NVIDIA's AI software, reducing setup time and facilitating immediate productivity. Scalability. Ability to link multiple units provides flexibility for more extensive AI projects. Like every product, each of them have their drawbacks. Let's look at the cons. Price point. Starting at $3,000, it may be a significant investment for individual users or small organizations. Availability. Set to launch in May 2025, potential users will need to wait before getting hands-on experience. Limited to AI applications. While powerful, its design is specialized for AI tasks, which may limit its utility for other computational needs. Now let's take a look at some first-hand experiences from people who've tried it out. After thoroughly analyzing NVIDIA's Project Digits, here's our final verdict. We give it an impressive 4.8 out of 5 stars. Its sheer computational power, compact design, and ability to bring supercomputing to a personal setup are groundbreaking. The GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip offers unmatched AI model processing capabilities, while the scalability ensures future-proofing for more demanding applications. However, the premium price and the need for technical expertise to fully utilize its potential may not make it the best fit for casual users or beginners. That said, for developers, researchers, and tech enthusiasts, this device is a game changer. In a gist, NVIDIA's Project Digits represents a significant leap in making AI supercomputing accessible beyond traditional data centers. Its combination of high performance, compact design, and user-friendly setup positions it as a valuable tool for AI developers and researchers aiming to conduct sophisticated AI tasks locally. While the investment is considerable, the potential benefits in terms of performance and convenience make it a compelling option for those deeply involved in AI development